make today for breakfast? I think I got an idea. When my kids were growing up, they loved what we called egg in the middle. A lot of people call it egg in a hole. Basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna make some of our special keto bread. We're gonna take the middle out, cut a circle out, and we're gonna crack an egg and put it inside the bread, and we're gonna have a fried egg right there for us. Man, it makes for a great breakfast. It's real exciting. I'm telling you, you're gonna like this one. Go ahead and watch this video and give it a shot and comment and let me know how you like it. Egg in the middle.